Okay, for the purpose of this video, I have a 55-inch 3D Vizio TV. Last night we were watching it, smoke started barreling out of the back of it and it went out. Now, I noticed there's all kinds of YouTube videos with people showing the correct way to fix these with the voltmeter and testing the circuit boards before you place it. But what I was thinking was, for all the people that don't have a voltmeter or don't know how to use one, and I think this is like a $1,200 TV, I really don't want to throw it away. So I figured, I've been doing these kind of repairs. I've only done about 5 flat screens in my life, but I've been repairing electronics on and off my whole life. I am completely confident in what I'm doing. So I thought I'd make a video for the person that does not know how to use a voltmeter, doesn't own one, has no interest in learning how to do all that, but they don't want to throw their $1,200 TV away. These things are so incredibly easy to fix and cheap. For this video, I'm going off the cuff. No voltmeter, no nothing. Basically just a Phillips screwdriver. We're going to try to diagnose and fix this TV right the first try with no testing equipment, no nothing. I'm going to go off the seat of my pants. What I'm hoping to find is, when I take this apart, is that I see a burnt circuit board or something, because the amount of smoke that came out of it, it should be really easy to fix. But I'm going to attempt to fix this with no diagnosing whatsoever, off the seat of my pants, and let's see what happens. So here we go. Okay, today we're going to be working on a 55-inch Vizio 3D TV. Last night when I was watching TV, it made a loud popping noise and smoke started coming out of the back of it. So we're going to see if we can take this apart and see what's going on. Okay, since I saw smoke coming out of the back of it, I'm hoping there is going to be something very obvious. Let's go ahead. Just got that. Okay, it's the power supply board. Take a quick look. Smell. The capacitors aren't pulled out. Okay, we gotta test a few items on there. Let's look at the motherboard really quick. Flip these little black tabs up on the circuit board, and these little ribbons come out like this. Don't be scared of them, they'll go back in. This is the motherboard. can see a lot of this white distortion. And this is the underneath the motherboard. I can test that too. We're to order some of these circuit boards, put it back together, and see if she works. Okay, the first thing I noticed, this is the power board. With the amount of smoke that came out of this thing, I'm really surprised to see there's no obvious burn marks on the circuit board anywhere. But I did notice this. If you look, there's a big warp. This entire board, I don't know if you could see it on camera or not, but there's a big bow in this board. Here, let me show you the other side. So that's an indication, you know, without using a voltmeter or any testing, that this board is bad. But what else I'm going to do is I'm going to smell these little, because this thing had smoke barreling out of the back of it, so I'm guessing I can smell something. And sure enough, right here, you can smell this burnt up. I can smell like a burning wire smell. Everything else, I don't smell anything. It's only right here that I smell it. On this, so I'm going to assume that board's bad. This is a logic board. Everything looks fine. You know, it doesn't smell burnt up. Everything on the back of the circuit board's fine. There's a lot of little white crusties and stuff that's not good, but it's not that bad either. I'm gonna, just for this video and the way I'm doing this, I'm gonna assume that this is good. And here is the new power board that I ordered. Looks like it came with the cables and stuff. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. It even came with cables. Folks, this was only like 30 some bucks. It's just so completely amazing to me how cheap this stuff is. So for the intended purpose of using no voltmeter, completely off the cuff video, we're going to put this in and we're going to see if this works. Now, these are all the old cables. So let's see, we got to take this off. Rid of all these old wires. I think they were all fine, but it came with new wires, so I'll get rid of all these. Get rid of all the old stuff. New stuff's already plugged in. Wait to tape that. Get some screws started. Okay, so the only wire we got to plug in is this one. It didn't come with this wire. That's fine. Here, click. These all go to the logic board. Okay, so we're going to put this back in. Oh, how did this even go? This. Okay, so these are a little tricky. Okay, these little ribbon connectors are a little tricky here. Try to get it on camera, but there's a little black clip that's got to be slid. And let's see if I can get this. Not damaging anything. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so you gotta slide it in. Clip the little clippy down. Easy, easy. These look a little tougher. Okay, get it in, click this down. Hopefully I got those right. Let's click these in. Make sure that these little ribbons look straight and they're not crooked. They all look good to me. Here's this. I think this is, these other ribbons had the blue up. This is twisted. We're going to go ahead and with this, with the blue up. But it's not stretching far enough. Okay, get this one clicked in. Okay, it seems okay. Now here's the new wires that this thing came with. Plug all these in. Oh, see what happens. Okay, here we go. These clipped in. Reuse the tape it had on there. Kind of just double check everything. Sure it looks good. Get rid of these old wires, old board. Everything looks good. together. Okay, quick correction. When I put all this back together, I left this entire cable off because it wasn't plugged into the new board. So here we go. Just plug this in quick just for the video. Okay, let's see if it works. Ladies and gentlemen, we just fixed a $1,200 3D Vigio. I think it's an M551D-A2R TV for under 40 bucks and a Phillips screwdriver. Like I said, my intentions was to do it without a voltmeter, and we did. So I hope this saves somebody a lot of money. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up.